Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how you can easily enable the disturb mode on your iPhone 17 Pro Max. From here, scroll down to the control panel, so swipe from the top right corner to the middle one, and here you should find this icon over here, which is the focus. Tap this moon icon to enter the do not disturb mode over here. But if you don't see it here, hold your finger in the background, tap add a control, and here scroll down till you see, wait a moment, focus over here. Tap that and as you can see it's the same. Here if you tap it you can select between all the focuses, but if this is the one, then disturb. And that's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.